I want to try its 3D flight. I mean the inverted flight. Like this. I want to try the inverted flight of this RC helicopter, because there's a feature in the user manual that you can be able to fly this in a inverted mode. So I want to try it. Alright. So of course you have to bind the RC helicopter first of all, first thing first. Then of course you have to take off, and then as the user manual told me, you have to fly it like above 3 meters or in a 3 meters altitude. So I am now in a more or less 3 meters altitude, and you have to switch the speed to the highest rate, or to the third rate. Yeah, that's the third rate. And then there's a 3D button here. You have to push it, and then there will be a beep sound, and you have to, after the beep sound, after you hear the beep sound, drip sound, you have to push the right stick to roll sidewards. Let's try. Closer, a bit closer. Yeah, it's almost 3 meters, in my opinion. So 3D switch. Yeah, drip and then turn. Ooh. And then there's no change in the control sticks. Throttle is throttle, forward is forward, backward is backward. Yeah, like this. It's inverted. Lower, a bit lower. Oh, great technology, guys. Look at this. Forward is forward, no change. Backward is backward. Yo left, yo right. Turn left, turn right. The same, no change. Only the position of the aircraft has changed, because right now it's flying in an inverted position. Look at this. No change at all. Forward is forward. Yeah, it's easy to switch in a inverted position. Turn left, yo right, the same. No change. Only the position of the aircraft has changed, but the control surfaces the same. The controls are the same. Forward is forward. Backward is backward. Yo left, the same. Turn right, the same. Alright. Let's go back to its original position. Another one. Push. Then. Yeah, nice. Easy, very easy, guys. Oh my. Very advanced technology. Very easy. Okay, another one. Ooh. Invert. Down a bit. Descend a bit. Alright. Alright, another. Again, forward is forward, no change. Yo to the left, yo to the right, the same. Throttle up, the same. Down, the same. So no change. Nothing has changed in the sticks, guys. The same movement as the usual normal flight, normal mode, or the one that is not inverted. Still the same. Right, closer. Oh, nice. Hover. Look at the technology of this, guys. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable piece of technology, guys. Look at this. The same, guys. The same flying mode and maneuver. Left is left, right is right, forward is forward. Unlike the 3D helicopters, the manual 3D RC helicopters. Wow, Look at this inverted flight. This is very funny. Very fun to fly. Oh, look at this inverted flight, guys. Easy. RC Era C032 did it again. RC Era. RC Era, guys, look at this inverted. This is very fun to fly. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look at this RC helicopter. Inverted flight. Inverted flight, guys. Normal flight, no confusion. Don't be confused about the control, guys. Forward is forward, no change. Backward is backward, no change. Throttle up, the same. Yaw right, yaw left, the same, no change. So very easy. You won't be confused. No confusion, guys. Up is up, down is down. Right is right, turn left, turn right, the same.